Okay, I just saw NVIDIA drop some serious news at GTC Taipei, and it is wild.
Yeah, they're pushing hard on the AI factory concept. It's not just GPUs anymore.
Right, it's about the whole infrastructure. They announced the Vera Rubin platform.
Exactly. And they're expanding the MGX architecture to support this new scale.
MGX. I remember that name. What does it actually do for us?
Think of MGX as the open modular reference architecture for AI factories. It standardizes everything.
Standardized. Like plug and play for massive data centers?
Precisely. It spans single nodes all the way to full rack-scale systems and PODs.
That sounds like it solves the engineering nightmare of custom builds.
It does. It supports both ARM and x86 systems using open standards like PCIe.
And Vera Rubin is in production now? That moves fast.
Yes, Vera Rubin is the first to bring MGX to the rack-scale era. 5 systems designed for it.
5 specific racks? That's a very targeted approach to deployment.
They are purpose-built for agentic AI workloads. Reasoning models, long context inference.
Agentic AI needs speed. How is the physical design different this time?
The 3rd-gen MGX rack is cable-free, hose-free, and fanless. It's all modular.
No hoses. That eliminates the biggest leak risk in liquid cooling.
Exactly. They use dynamic power steering and 100% liquid cooling for warm water.
Warm water. Like 45 degrees Celsius? That's efficient cooling.
It aligns with NVIDIA DSX, the platform for design and simulation of these factories.
So you plan the whole factory in DSX before you build the physical racks?
Yes, you validate compute, networking, storage, and power controls before deployment.
That saves so much wasted capital. But what about power? That's always the bottleneck.
They're introducing 800 VDC power infrastructure. It reduces conversion stages, it supports higher density computing. And for existing AC facilities, it's a bridge.
So you don't have to rip out old power grids? That's a smart upgrade path.
Right. It protects land and shell investments while preparing for future rack-scale compute.
And I heard something about intelligent power smoothing in the NVL72 systems?
Yes, it cushions the steep load swings from synchronized AI workloads.
Load swings can blow fuses. So this stabilizes the grid dynamically?
It addresses the power delivery challenge as factories scale up massively.
Who is actually building these? Is it just NVIDIA?
No, over 80 partners. Global system manufacturers, cooling partners, power density firms.
So the ecosystem is turning this modular design into real deployed infrastructure.
Exactly. It gives customers access to an open architecture and broad supply chain flexibility.
This feels like the industry is finally standardizing on a physical format.
It is. MGX is becoming the common foundation for building accelerated systems faster.
And they contributed the rack design to the Open Compute project?
Yes, to broaden adoption across the entire data center industry.
Okay, one weird detail. Jensen Huang ate Taiwanese fried chicken at GTC?
He did. He called it TFC and gathered partners at a mom-and-pop restaurant.
Even the CEO needs a good meal after announcing the future of AI.
True, but the real takeaway is the shift to standardized, modular AI factories.
So if you're building AI infrastructure, you need to look at MGX and 800 VDC.
Definitely. It's the practical bridge from current AC systems to future high-density needs.
Subscribe to Locally Hosted for more deep dives.
Original source is linked in the description.
Alright, that's all we got this week. Come back next time, we'll probably break it again.